Welcome to AutoCrypt.net Arcturus tutorial. In this video, I will walk you through the Reports menu. The Reports menu allows you to preview, export, email, and print any report, as well as schedule reports to be emailed automatically. In this tutorial, we are going to look at the Standard Reports and Automatic Reports modules. We will start by looking at the Standard Reports module. To access the Standard Reports module, navigate to Reports, Standard Reports. The Standard Reports screen allows you to preview, export, email, and print any standard or custom report that is available in the AutoCrypt.net Arcturus software. The standard reports are grouped by category, and they can be selected from the Report Category drop-down field. The Favorites category is the default and includes standard or custom reports that were added to the Favorites category. The Access category contains reports that lists the access controls set up within Arcturus. The Billing category includes the most commonly used billing reports. The Download category provides a list of unformatted reports to be used with Microsoft Excel. The Inventory category includes reports used to manage inventory, such as physical reports, value reports, reports for cycle counting, and stockout reports. It also includes reports with bin and item information, as well as inventory for the bins and items. The Miscellaneous category includes activity log reports which show activity performed in the AutoCrypt Arcturus software. The Pick Sheet category contains pick sheets that show lists, usually with pictures and barcodes. These can be placed next to the machines for the user's reference. The Purchasing category includes reports used to determine items that needs to be ordered, as well as purchase orders that were already received. It also contains the Inventory Input Sheet report, which includes the tag numbers for the purchase orders. The Transactions category includes reports that show details of transactions performed at the machines. Please note that if you need a report that shows certain data and none of the standard reports suit your needs, you can have a custom report created for your site. Custom report requests may be submitted to our Professional Services department through the AutoCrypt support portal. If custom reports have been added to your account, you will see one more category titled Custom. All custom reports for the account will be listed in the Custom Report category. To preview a standard report, select the desired report category from the Report Category drop-down field, and then click on Go. For example, to view the Transaction Download report, select the Download category and click the Go button. Then, select the Transaction Download report from the list. Depending on the report, you can set parameters to limit the data the report displays. Different reports will have different parameters to choose from. These parameters can be set in the Parameters section of the screen. For example, parameters available for the Transaction Download report include setting a date selection using the Date Selection drop-down field. The available options are setting a specific date range by entering from and to dates. For example, if I want to view transactions for the month of March, I will select March 1st from the From box, and I will select March 31st from the To box. Then to preview the report, I will select the Preview and Print button. Additional options available from the Date Selection drop-down are Today, this will only show today's transactions. Yesterday, this will show the previous day's transactions. Last 7 days, this will show the transactions from the last 7 days, not including the current date. Last 30 days, this will show transactions from the last 30 days, not including the current day. And last month, this will show transactions from the previous calendar month. The Transactions Downloads report has no other parameter options, so let's look at the Item Download report. This report does not have the date selection parameter available, but has an item selection parameter. For example, to preview the item report for a single item, you may select the item from the From box and from the To box. Then you can select the Preview and Print button to preview the report. The report will only display data for that item. Now let's preview the Transaction by Item report by selecting the Transaction category, clicking on Go, then selecting the Item report from the list. Now I'm going to click the Preview and Print button to preview the report. From the preview screen, you can print the report by selecting the printer icon. You will first be prompted to export the report into a PDF. Click the Export button. The report will automatically download to your computer. When it's finished downloading, open the PDF file and select the print icon. Select the desired printer and click Print. Now, from the Preview and Print screen, you can also export your report by selecting the Export button. From here, you can select the desired file format. Available options are Crystal Reports, PDF, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, rich text format, CSV file, or XML. So once you've made your selection, click on the Export button. The file will automatically download to your computer. If your report has more than one page, you may scroll through the pages by selecting the Go to Next Page button or Go to Previous Page button. You can also click the drop-down to quickly go to the last or first page. The Email button allows you to email a report to a selected supplier or any other email address. To email the report, click the Email button, then select the desired supplier from the list or the desired user. Once you select the desired supplier or user, the email and subject fields will automatically populate. You also have the option to manually type in a user or supplier, an email address, as well as a subject. Then to send the email, click the OK button. You will then see the email confirmation screen. Click OK to exit. The Add to Favorite button allows you to add the selected report to the Favorites Reports category. To add a report to your favorites, select the Add to Favorite button. Then click OK on the Report Added to Favorite message. The report will then be added to the Favorites category. You also have the option to remove reports from your Favorites category by selecting the report, then clicking the Remove Favorite button. Click OK on the message Report Removed from Favorites. To view a detailed explanation for each of the standard reports, please reference the Arcturus Standard Report Descriptions document available on the AutoCrib Support portal. You may search for the document by typing Arcturus Standard Report Descriptions into the search field. Now let's look at the Automatic Reports module. To access the Automatic Reports module, navigate to Reports, Automatic Reports. To set up an automatic report, select the desired report category, for example, Transaction, then click on Go. Select the desired report from the list. You will now need to configure the Scheduler section of the Automatic Reports screen. First, you will need to select a frequency. Select Daily to email the report every day. Select Weekly and the desired day of the week to email the report weekly on the selected day. To email the report monthly, select the Monthly checkbox and enter a date in the Date field. For example, to receive the report on the 1st of every month, enter 1 in the Date field. Select Days and the desired days to email the report on the selected days. In our example, we are going to receive the report on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Next, you may select the file format. The available options are RPT, PDF, Excel, Excel data only, Microsoft Word, RTF, CSV, text, and tab separated. Check the email box and click the envelope icon to select an email address. Select the desired supplier or suppliers from the supplier column, then click the Add button. You may also select a user by selecting the Users button and selecting the desired user from the list, then clicking the Add button. Then click the X to close the email box. Select the Attachment Radio button if you wish to receive the report as an attachment to the email, and enter the desired file name in the File Name field. You may also select Link if you wish to receive the report as a downloadable link in the email. Enter the time you wish the report to be emailed. For example, enter 6 a.m. to receive the report at 6 a.m. in the morning. Then click the Add button. You may add additional times if you wish to receive the email at several times during the day. For example, enter 8 p.m. to receive the report at both 6 a.m. and 8 p.m. on the same day. And click the Add button. You may also enter desired parameters from the Parameters section of the Automatic Reports screen. When you have completed entering the information for the scheduler and parameters, make sure to click the Save button. Then click OK on the message Schedule Saved Successfully. To delete a scheduled report, select the report and click the Delete button. Then click OK on the Schedule Deleted Successfully message. This concludes the Reports menu tutorial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out additional AutoCrib Arcturus tutorials.